Hello, today we're busting one myth, and that is, can you drink a whole cup of orange crush without burping? We're allowed to take breaks, we're just not allowed to burp. Ready, set, chug. We're gonna wait a few seconds, but I'm gonna think that's myth busted because I did do it earlier and I burped 5 times in a row. Yeah, that's myth confirmed. You cannot drink a whole cup of... So that's myth busted because you can't drink a whole cup of orange crush without burping. Hold on. Yeah, I nearly burped then. That's myth busted. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.